Okay, now we're going to start another new document, and we're going to talk about paragraphs. Okay, so if you have a new document open. So let's close this up. Right now I have, again, the paragraph and the characters I have right here, if I need them. I'm going to write some paragraph. I'm going to go over here, choose the text tool. I'm going to click and hold. If you have a specific area that you have that you want to put your words in, it's going to fit right within there. Right, so it's going to wrap. Okay, so again, I have all the stuff up here on the top, or I have it over here that I want. Okay, so now I have a paragraph, so I have some other options of what I want to do. Let's make a slightly smaller font so that we can kind of see it better. All right, so this is the font, right? It is now in this paragraph form right here. So I can click on the layer over here to the right if I want it in my layers. So now I've selected it. I can go to the paragraph, and there are different paragraph options I can do, right? These are very paragraphy. So if I want some space around it, let's say that I'm working with some kind of a grid system and I don't want the words to just hit the sides. I may want it, but if I don't, I want a little bit of a space between there. I can go over here and I can indent it. I can indent it 10 points over here, so there's some space. This is called padding. So now I'm going to put some padding inside of this paragraph square. So I have this paragraph square right here. And now I am adding some space within it, right? So I don't want it to go this end either, so I'm going to put 10 right there, right? So now I have all this space kind of around it, okay? So hopefully that will help you out on that. If you can make a bolded list, things like that. So say now that I have this paragraph, I don't like the spacing of my words very well. There's something I want to kind of change on that. So I can go over here and I can choose just kind of a word if I wanted to, and I can play around with it from here. I can decide I want the spacing between these to be a little bit different. So I'm going to put 20. This is 200, so you can really see it, right? That's going to spread out my letters, so I can play with that, right? And let's say I want this. I decide this paragraph or these couple words right here. This is my title. I want this to be in all caps, so I can change that to all caps and things like that. So there are all different things you can do over here to play around with it. So when you're doing a paragraph, it's a combination of using your character settings and your paragraph settings to kind of get it kind of where you want. So I hope that's helpful.